Okay, so the reason why I'm staring at my foot is because I just now I just looked at my iPad and figured out how to set the flash on my brand new phone, which is kind of dumb. Next to me here I have the iPad, which I'll show you, which is already set on all zeros for the timer and stuff. And so I went and got my camera case from Shirley's house, and I got this over here is basically an entire case of red. It's basically all red except for two broken pieces right there and right there. Those aren't broken, those are just used. These are all red, and here's Will. There's more red down there, red. I've got too much red, plenty of red. Over here, we come over here and they got, these are almost brand new, kind of chunky, they're missing corners. Those are black sticks, more black sticks in there, half black sticks. That's why this box has been separated, because it's nasty. These over here are the blue sticks I got right there. I got enough of those. I got a brand new case of those, and these are fully formed black sticks, have not been chipped or cracked or anything else. And these over here are the only yellow sticks I got. I had to scrape them up and use my knife and get all the stuff off there. And so now for the fun part, we get to do a test print. The rest I wanted to show you and stuff, how fast this machine will do it. So if the machine right now, as you can see, is sleeping. If I go and put this paper in there, it'll go ahead and turn, it's gonna wake up. As soon as it wakes up, I'll go ahead and start the timer. I already have my computer here queued up with 7 prints ready to go. So as soon as I'll go ahead and send that job as well. And we'll go ahead and see how long it takes us to print out 7 full pages and stuff. So here we go. Okay, so I'll start the timer. Just want me to confirm the paper size. Yep, 12 by 18. Okay, now right here we have the 7 pages going to a tabloid printer. Actually, we need to change that. It's going to a 12 by 18. Okay. Make sure we got our printer properties. Make sure these are pulled from. Make sure these are pulled from tray 4 bypass. I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to send all 7 of them to this thing. Hitting print and sending those. Timer already shows 1 minute and 10 seconds. This is about to time out. It's warming up. I'll grab the job here in just a minute. Maybe it takes a little longer than I thought. It's probably when it's in a ready state. Just ignore the main name there. I haven't changed it yet. Sorry about that. These sticks, I managed to save these. They came out pretty good after scraping them. I just got rid of all the dingy color and stuff. And just scraped it all along the edge and the nicks and crannies and stuff. And got all the color off. Did 5 of them. They come 4 to a box though. Here we go. Start at 235. Why do I need to get new rollers? I don't know. I've only printed out a few of them. Yeah, I think I need new rollers. It keeps on getting jammed in there and stuff.